Remember to click thumbs up and share it to your friends. Hi, welcome to Mindfulness with Eliana. Remember that mindfulness is living in the moment and being calm. Today we're going to be doing another activity called walking meditation. When you walk, you should think about how your feet feel on the ground, and if you have any thoughts, if you're excited about something, or if it's your birthday, you can think about it, but then focus on your walking. Now, do it with me. Let me show you how to do walking meditation. Heel to toe. Heel to toe. Remember to breathe when you do this process and go very slowly. Heel to toe. Heel to toe. Now do it with me. Now do it with me. It's kind of like when you're on the beach, when you walk on shells and it's hard, so you have to go slowly and breathe.